Okay, so today our topic is parts per million. That's what PPM stands for, and your goal is I can calculate the parts per million. So parts per million, here's the definition for it. It's a way of expressing very dilute concentrations of substances, just as a percent means out of 100, parts per million means out of a million. And of course, there's other parts. There's parts per billion, which is out of a billion, and so on and so forth. We are just focusing on ppm. So here is the formula for parts per million. I have this in your notes section so you don't have to write it down. But basically it's the mass of solute over volume of solution. So grams of solute and milliliters with the volume, and then you times it by 10 to the 6, or you times it by a million. So here's an example. An Olympic-sized swimming pool contains 2,500,000 liters of water. If 1 teaspoon of NaCl is dissolved in the pool, what is the concentration in ppm? So we know 1 teaspoon is 6.7 grams. So that's going to go with our grams, 6.75. And then we need to change that to milliliters, which they did right here, times 10 to the 6. Plug that in and you get your answer. Now the question you will see will be like this. So let's do the first example in your digital notebook together. So it says, I have 35 grams of NaCl and 10,000 milliliters of water. What is my parts per million? So what you'll do is you take your grams, so 35, you divide by your milliliters, so that's 10,000. And then once you do that, you times that number to 10 to the 6th. And the way you can do that, times 10 to the 6th. So 35 divided by 1,000 times 10 to the 6th. So if you search scientific calculator, you get this calculator right here. It's just the Google calculator. So let's see. That one does not have it to where you could do times 10 to the 5th. So let's find you guys one. Here we go. Nope, that doesn't do times 10 to the 5th either. Let's see if it works. So we do 35 divided by 10,000. That's not going to work. So 35 divided by 10,000. It's not. 35 divided by 10,000. Hit enter. And then we times it. So 0.0035. Why is it doing this? So 0.0035 times 10 to the 6. There it goes. Now it's typing in. Hit enter. 3,500 would be your answer. So you can use this calculator. Honestly, you'll probably find a better calculator than this. This one's not that great. Your phone should have it. If you have an iPhone and you open up your calculator, If you have your rotation on and you rotate it, it also has your scientific calculator on there as well to get your 10 to the 6th. Now, if you can't find one, just put a 1 with 6 zeros. It's the same thing. So that is what you would do for this number 1, plugging that in. So it'd be 3,500. If you get stuck on one, let me know. I will be happy to help you guys work it out and check your answers if needed. And I hope you have a great day.